Hello everyone, welcome to BPO interview tutorial, and today we will be going to see an important topic. So wherein we will be adding slicer into the database. So what is this slicers and how this can be added and what is the use of that? We will be looking to this. So slicer will help you guys to design an interactive database, and definitely you will generate and interactive reports as well with the help of slicer. And before moving to the video guys, I would like everyone to please share, subscribe and comment on my channel, and please let me know on which more topic you require the videos. And thank you so much for helping me out with 1000 subscribers. So without wasting time guys, I will be starting my today's video, that is on insert slicer. So guys, why I actually picked this topic, because once you got selected as quality analyst, team leader, trainer, you will be working on reports regularly, and this will surely help you out to find out the individual data of the associate, or else team lead wise data. So it will help you out in a different way. So guys, I will just go to this entire data. I will select all. I will just press Alt, then leave the Alt, then N, then V. So if you click on OK, automatically a sheet will be generated for the pivots. So in this way you will get this sheet, and just rename it with the pivot table. What I did, I just kept this associate name in the row, and I just picked this marks, sum of marks in the values, and I believe you guys have seen this. The scores of the individual associate are being reflected. I will just copy this entire data including the row label, and I will go to the dashboard and I will paste it here. I will just remove this. Done. Now I will keep border here. So the shortcut you can remember, or else you can go to home and you can keep all border. You can resize it. Done. And you can resize the width as well. So in this way you can do this. I believe this is very easy for everyone, and I will just remove this dashboard someplace here. Done. Now what I will do, I will insert slicers here. So go to the data, you will be finding analyze type there. Just click on insert slicer. I want associate name, I want and team lead. Two type of slicers are required. So I will be keeping associate name here, I will be keeping TL name here. Right click, just a minute. So if you do, okay, done. Just resize it, same, just resize it. So these are the slicers, and now guys, I just want team lead wise data, like how many associates are there in James team. If you click on James, it will directly show you team lead wise data. See, in the raw data also you can see Sushil, Santosh, Ajay are aligned to James, and here same Ajay, Sushil. If you want Kavita team data, you can get the Kavita team data. If you want Vinay team data, you can get a Vinay team data. You can get the overall data also. If you want only Ajay Kumar details, you can get it. You want Sundar's details, you can get it. If you want all, you can get it like this. So this can be designed in multiple way. If you want to design with the help of dashboard, wherein you are calculating the team lead wise performance, like which teams, how many teams are there and how many associates are aligned to it. For an example, I want only Kavita team data and there are 10 employees, I can get data easily like this. But other ways, you need to go to raw data, you need to filterize with the TL name, you need to just select that particular TL name, and then you need to again copy paste that data to the another sheet. In this way you need to identify. So these are the slicers, and these are being easily created and you can easily used in your dashboard. So I believe this is very understandable, and if you have still any doubt, please let me know. And guys, here I just want to tell you one more thing. You can design these slicers if you want. Go to option and you can select different designs here, and for the associate name, if you want some different design, you can go. Okay, I'll be selecting all data here, and see, these are the different designable tags that you guys can use. And also with the help of this slicer, make sure if you are designing any of the data, make sure those data should be copy pasted on that particular file that need to be in a pivot format. See, if I do right click show field list, you will be getting the pivot tables and all need to be in pivot format. And next, the slicer need to be picked from that particular pivot table.